Welcome to Shenkman Education. My name is Marty Shenkman, and the topic for this video clip is pet trust. And I'm being helped by two very cute little pups, Luna and Maya, you can see in the background in the dog park. So if you've heard of a pet trust, it may be because of Leona Helmsley and the millions of dollars she put in a pet trust for her dog Trouble. We're not going there, and that's not really what I think anybody wants to do, and most of us can't afford to do that. But if you have a pet, it's really important that you take steps in your estate planning to protect your pet. So first of all, it's not just about a pet trust, which is one of the only things people have heard of, but here's the simple thing. Make sure that you've talked to people, whether it's friends, family, neighbors, somebody, that if something, God forbid, happens to you, there's someone that knows to be responsible for your pet. Otherwise, if something happens to you and no one knows to step in, it could be an awful result. Second, in your durable financial power of attorney, authorize your agent, direct your agent to make expenditures to take care of your pet. I think that one's Maya. Because if you don't, no one may have the financial resources and someone may not want to advance the funds for your pet. Not a big deal to do. It takes a minute. Just a simple modification. I don't think I've ever seen a form that includes it. Third, in your will or rev trust, whichever revocable trust, whichever approach you use for your general estate planning, what you want to do is create a pet trust. Maybe. The only reason to create a pet trust is if you feel the formality of doing this would help. We have one for our little pup Eddie. We just designated one of the kids to take care of the dog, one that seemed most likely and able to do so, and left a modest amount of money for him to simply fund the cost of taking care of the dog. That's it. It's a fairly simple arrangement. You don't need to get complicated. Now, there are on the market, and you'll find information online about really complex, detailed pet trusts with all sorts of specifications about how the pet should be taken care of and how much money goes in. I guess you can do that as well, and certain pet lovers would probably chastise me for not advocating for that. But I think it can be done in a fairly simple way. And I think that the importance of creating a pet trust, the importance of putting a provision in your power of attorney, the importance of writing a letter of instruction to whoever would step in to help in an emergency is if you don't formalize it and you don't speak to people and you don't allot some money for it, a pet that's really part of your family that you love dearly just may not get the care you want, or worse. So it's important to integrate pet planning, Maya and Luna, into your estate plan, and it shouldn't be that hard to do. Maya agrees. Thank you for joining me, and please keep in mind that all the information on the video is for educational purposes only. Don't take any action without appropriate professional guidance. Thanks for joining.